Crazy simple ways to double traffic to your AdSense site. Hey there, friends! Did you know that one of the factors that most affects an AdSense site's ranking is engagement? You heard that right. Your site will be as visible and as valuable as the amount of time that visitors spend inside it checking your content and clicking on your ads. And so what happens that to increase engagement, you need to increase traffic, preferably organic traffic coming from search engines. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the best ways to increase traffic to your site the right way. Creating backlink-worthy content. This might sound obvious, but here's the catch. You can create great content that is not worth sharing. Granted, great niche content will be shared among people in your audience, but what you need is to reach as many people as possible through backlinks and shares. And the only way to achieve that is by creating content with mass appeal, that is informational and well-researched. Content that is worth quoting elsewhere beyond where your core audience hangs out. Commenting on other blogs and sites. You can increase your site's reach and exposure by simply commenting on others' content as long as you add value to the conversation. And you can do it with subtlety by providing your point of view without mentioning your site or backlinking to your content, because you'll look like your site is spamming a third-party site. Doing so will provide you with backlinks and branding opportunities. Guest posting. You can expose your site to new traffic sources by guest posting on other blogs or websites. You can start guest posting by reaching out to site admins in your niche to tell them that you are a fan of their site and their content, then kindly asking them if they would be okay if you contribute new and original content on their site. This is a win-win situation because you will be providing them with content, and they will be providing you with an opportunity to build authority and backlinks. Participating in forums. You can participate in forums related to your niche to create backlinks in the easiest way possible. You will simply have to add a link to your website in your forum signature. Users that find your forum post helpful or valuable will likely click through your signature links to see what else you can offer them on your site. And once they click through, they're very likely to become regular visitors. Creating list posts. Have you noticed that a lot, if not most, posts on websites these days are numbered? There are two reasons for this. First, they're easier to read. You can easily camouflage a 2,000-word article into a 5-item list post and people will gladly read it in its entirety. Secondly, most sites' traffic explodes tenfold once they start creating list and numbered posts. So what we recommend you to do is to find a way to split your post content into 5 to 10 items, each one a subtitle to the main post. You won't believe how effective this strategy is until you try it out yourself. Creating or curate tutorials. How-to style content gets a lot of traffic. So, one of the best strategies that you can apply on your site is to feature tutorial articles related to your niche. You can either create these tutorials or you can curate them from third-party sites, which is okay as long as you credit the site by including a link to the original article at the end of your own post. Promoting giveaways. People love free stuff, so promoting giveaways and contests on your site is a no-brainer. They get forwarded to others on social media, and they will send copious amounts of traffic to your site. The best way to attract traffic using giveaways is to promote a prize that can be of interest to the general population while describing it to your core audience. That way, you avoid alienating people outside your main audience as well as avoiding looking desperate to your visitors. For example, you can promote a $20 gift card and tell entrants that the winner can use it to buy a product in your niche. The trick here is that anyone can use the gift card for any purpose, which will attract people outside your main audience. And that's it. Apply these simple strategies and you will see your site's traffic quadrupling in no time.